Welcome back to FleetTrucksUSA.com. Bianca here, and I'm excited to present this 2015 Chevy 3/4 ton 4-door utility truck with just over 49,000 miles on it. This Chevy features a brand new, fresh out of the crate UTB utility service body with all the unique creature features I'll show you in just a minute. Beautiful, never used diamond steel floor. And it features a custom king-size ladder rack with a rear crash screen, removable upper bars, and large anchors to tie down to. It has a tow package. It has 3 large locking compartments on either side, in addition to pop tops along the top sides with dividers and a lot of additional storage. You'll notice the interior on this truck is absolutely stunning. It has power windows, power door locks, no cracks in the dash, cloth seats that are in stunning uncrushed condition. There's no odors in this truck. Beautiful, unblemished headliner. It's like new. The driver's side is just as clean as the passenger side, ready for your logo. See how nicely these pop open. Brand new means all new weather stripping and all new chains, and everything about this utility bed is new, which is super nice. The gas struts will hold these doors open no matter what kind of grade you are on. The driver and passenger side have these Nerf bars. Just look at how clean the interior of this truck is. No fading on the steering wheel, no tears on the armrest. It has cruise control and tilt wheel. Every vehicle we sell isn't only physically impeccable, it's also mechanically impeccable. Just look underneath this hood. You could eat off of this engine. The engine and trans function perfectly. There are no leaks. The oil's fresh. The battery's brand new. This truck features a brand new matching set of commercial grade tires all the way around. Go to FleetTrucksUSA.com for your next fleet purchase. You will be very happy that you did. Our website makes it easy no matter where you are in the nation. Thank you for watching.